Today I started my day with cayenne pepper water on an empty stomach. Something to wake up my body before breakfast later on. Drinking cayenne water is not for the faint-hearted. It is something that you start slowly and gradually increase the amount of the pepper, but it has very good health benefits. So then later I stepped into my little garden, ready to face whatever this season has left behind. Weekend mornings used to feel different, slower, greener and softer. But this season, the long drought has changed everything. The air feels heavier, the soil feels tired, even the winds seem stronger than before. Today I stepped into my little city garden, not to admire it, but to restore it. The strong winds had knocked down some of my bananas. It's like the monstera is fruiting again. The monstera is fruiting again. This one is a new. Cindy, this one is a new one. This one is a new one, and another new one. And these ones have been here. I think it's now 1 year. You can see it has even fallen down. And this one, I think it's ready to be eaten now. I've never eaten a monstera fruit, so I'm not even sure, guys. My daughter is telling me how she can't eat. You know, when we Googled about this, you were told you cannot eat it before it matures up because it's very poisonous. But now that it has fruited and it has fallen down on its own, no one wants to eat it. Everybody's afraid of it. I'm going to do more research about the monstera fruits because it's fruiting more and more. And this one here, the fruit here, the one that has fallen down, I think this is the way it should be. When it's ready, it just, okay. Okay. Guys, kindly tell me if this thing is edible. I know it's edible, but those do's and don'ts that I saw, it looks like a banana, but it smells like it smells like penis. A penis? A penis is jackfruit, I think. You see? So this one's what we should eat. This amazing, interesting. But this one I found it down. So I think I'm supposed to harvest from here. Yeah. It also has it's gummy. The gum. Wow, guys. Things will amaze you. Things that you've never seen before. So I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for it to fall down like this or just cut it off. I don't know, but I'm going to do more research on this. The next time we'll be eating this fruit with you guys. More are coming. So let's go and clear the garden, collect the fallen mangoes. The winds did to my banana. We had a very strong wind last week on Sunday, and this is what happened. I have like how many fallen bananas? 1, 2, like 5. I have to cut it off here. Some have gone to my neighbors. It is not very good. So I carefully cut away what had fallen, not as a loss, but as part of the cycle. Some had fallen and were bending towards my neighbor's compound. During drought, life continues. Some plants will struggle, some will die, and some will survive. But some will still surprise you with harvest. Like these bananas, despite the long drought, and the last time I saw rain here in the city was sometimes last year, October or November. But the fruits are so resilient. They have been fruiting day by day. Yeah, the wind was too much. How many have I cut so far? 2, 3, and I have like 4 more. Oh, guys, this is a loss. You see, they were just almost ready. Gardening during a dry season teaches patience and resilience. And most of the time, it reminds me that growth doesn't stop, even on hard times. So this is what my weekend has changed into. This is how it looks like now. A little busier, a little quieter, dustier, but full of purpose. Oh, so this is what happened here. Oh, my poor succulent. Oh, the banana tree fell on it. Oh, this one is easy to save. Let's take it back and add water. It's very thirsty, very dry. Let's go. So we need to go and harvest the banana that is outside, the one that is almost falling. It's already getting in. It's already getting really, and this is why my banana fell down. So let's go and harvest the one that is outside, almost falling down. Hakuna friends. This one we have to harvest. But this is ready. You see the colors turned a bit. So just one. I just cut it once and the person behind my camera went running. No matter how long the drought will take, how long it's going to last, I'll keep showing up for this little garden of mine. I'm not going to give up on it because it has served me so well. Eating mangoes and bananas all season, even when people were struggling and buying from the markets, I was enjoying the harvests right from my compound. I'm not giving up on my flowers neither, and that's why I have very hardy flowers planted in my space. Thank you for spending your weekend with me. Kindly watch the video up to the very end. Consider subscribing to the channel. Guys, don't worry about the way I'm that. This is a wrong dress for the job. Let's put our banana in and we thank God for the big harvest yet again. Until next time, stay grounded and stay growing. Bye bye.